everyone, today we're going to talk about acid rain. So what is acid rain? Well, basically, acid rain is rain that is more acidic than usual. Acid in rain is natural, but acid gases make it even more acidic. Sometimes, as acidic as a lemon! There are two sources of acid gas. One of them is man-made source, which came from factories and vehicles. The other one is natural source, which came from volcanoes. Acid gases are made of nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they react with water, oxygen, and ammonia, which came from vehicles to become acid rain pollutants. And then you have acid rain. Air pollution can be carried over long distances. Strong winds push the gases towards the other countries. For example, the pollution produced in Britain ends up mostly in Scandinavia, like Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. Well, what does acid rain do exactly? And how bad is it? Well, acid rain affects the world in miles of ways. For example, acid rain takes away important minerals from the leaves in the soil. Without them, trees and plants cannot grow properly. They become weak and no longer strong to fight diseases. This might lead the plants to become ill and even die. This also affects humans. Without plants, we have no fruits. We get less vitamins, less oxygen. We get illnesses like malnutrition, which happens when we don't get enough nutrients in our body. Acid rain has a terrible effect on wildlife. Some of the life in the lake, such as fishes and plants, may end up dying because they can't survive in acidic lakes. Fishes and plants may die. Anyway, when acid rain falls into lakes, it changes the lake into acid lake, which can kill fishes and the animals nearby, such as bass, who eat the poisoned fishes. Acid rain does not have direct effect on humans, however. It doesn't have enough acidic pH to burn human skin. Swimming in an acidic lake is no more harmful to people than swimming in clean water. But the sulfur dioxide it creates can cause lung problems, like asthma and bronchitis, so you still need to be careful though. Acid rain erodes buildings. Buildings are naturally eroded by rain, wind, frost, and the sun. But when acidic gases are present, it speeds up the erosion. It also damages stained glass and plastic. Taj Mahal and Statue of Liberty are some of the historical monuments that are affected by acid rain. Some types of buildings are softer than others, and it is the softer ones which are most affected by acid rain. Marble and limestone are examples of stones which are damaged easily by acid rain. Hang on, what about me? What would happen to humans? Sorry to tell you guys this, but acid rain does a lot of harm to humans. Very small particles of debris found in some of the air pollution are one of the main causes of health problems. In towns and cities, these are released mainly by cars and trucks. When we breathe in air pollution, these particulates can easily enter our body. Then you would get breathing problems, and over time, even cancer! Tap water can be contaminated by acid rain, which can damage the brain. Ew! There's now cancer and now brain damage? Finally, acid rain rises the temperature of the earth and increases global warming. So is this the end? No.
There are so many ways to reduce acid rain. Now, the government is taking action by reducing the use of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Scientists have found some ways to reduce the amount of sulfur dioxide from coal-burning power plants. One of them is to use coal that contains less sulfur, and the other is to wash the coal to remove some of the sulfur. Power plants can install equipment called scrubbers that remove sulfur dioxide from the gases leaving the smokestack. Another way to reduce acid rain is to use renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy that can be replenished, meaning that it won't run out. Sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat are all sources of renewable energy which can be used to power machinery and produce electricity. Start by saving electricity. Switch off anything that consumes electricity which aren't in use. Close the tap once you're done using it. When you're going somewhere with your friends or family, try carpooling. Carpooling is when a group of people travel in one vehicle to save fuel and decrease air pollution. Or you can cycle when you plan to travel somewhere which isn't far from where you live. By doing all this, you are being a hero and saving the world.
So sing along and spread the love. Hey guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video on Facebook, Twitter, and any other social networks you can think of. That's it. Thanks for watching.